Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be diving into the fascinating world of weather stations. Have you ever wondered how meteorologists gather data about the weather? A weather station is a facility that collects and measures atmospheric conditions to provide accurate weather forecasts. These stations use various instruments to monitor temperature, humidity, air pressure, wind speed, and precipitation. Data recorded by weather stations is crucial for predicting weather patterns and understanding climate trends. Most weather stations are equipped with an anemometer to measure wind speed and a wind vane to determine wind direction. Some even have rain gauges to measure the amount of precipitation that falls. A barometer is used to measure air pressure, while a hygrometer measures humidity levels. Other instruments like thermometers are used to measure temperature, and satellites help track weather systems on a larger scale. Weather stations can be as small as a handheld device or as large as a building filled with complex scientific instruments. Automated weather stations record data continuously, while manual stations require meteorologists to record data at specific intervals. Real-time data gathered by weather stations helps meteorologists analyze current weather conditions and make accurate forecasts. Weather stations are crucial for monitoring severe weather phenomena like hurricanes, tornadoes, and thunderstorms. Data from these stations is used to issue warnings and alert communities in the path of dangerous storms. Weather stations also play a vital role in monitoring climate change and understanding long-term weather patterns. Utilizing advanced technology, weather stations enable us to make informed decisions and prepare for the weather ahead. Whether it's planning outdoor activities or keeping safe during extreme weather events, weather stations provide invaluable information. Next time you check the weather forecast, remember the hard work and dedication behind the data provided by weather stations. So, the next time it rains or the wind blows, take a moment to appreciate the wonders of weather stations.